How to change the hard drive in a laptop. First, you need to locate the hard drive on the laptop, then you need to remove the screws. Once you have removed all of the screws holding it in, gently remove the hard drive from the laptop. Then set the laptop aside for later. Now you need to locate the hard drive that you will be putting into the laptop, or the one that you are replacing the old one with. And the connectors on them are different, so make sure you save the old connector. And you have to do this by removing the screws that are holding it on. Once you have finished removing the screws, be sure to keep the connector and set the screws aside for later, as you will probably need them. And also remove the case. You'll need a fair amount of force to pull the connector off. Now remove the other connector. You may need to gently pry it off to get it started, and then use a relatively large amount of force to finish pulling it off. Once you have removed the screws, save the case, as you will need it later to put your hard drive back into your laptop. Now, place the connector from the old hard drive onto the new one. You will again need a relatively large amount of force for this, but make sure not to bend any of the pins. Once you have the connector firmly in place, put the hard drive back in the casing or housing so that it will fit in your laptop. Once you have it fit in correctly, put the screws back in that hold the case and the hard drive together. Then your hard drive is ready to put back in your laptop, so retrieve your laptop and make sure that you put the case on the correct way so that the hard drive will fit in the laptop. Gently insert the hard drive into the laptop. You may need a little bit of force. You may need to gently tap your laptop in order to get the hard drive to slip right into place. But once it is back in place, put the screws back in and your hard drive is ready to go, and you will now have to install your operating system unless the hard drive comes preloaded with it. You can either save your old hard drive or discard it. It is up to you whether you want it or not. Now that you have the hard drive installed, put the battery back in your laptop if you took it out, and turn it on to make sure it works. And you're done.